Hey, how's everybody doing? I know it's been a long time since I did a video. Trying something different in life. We are doing a house flip. We bought a foreclosed home, and at the end of this, I'll go through all the details, everything of how it went, what we spent, what we did, what the profit was, all that stuff. But let me flip my camera and I'll do a quick walkthrough. You're gonna hear a generator running because we don't have power over here. The city inspector didn't like what they saw, so they actually got to replace that service line coming in down to the meter. Here's the you got a garage. It's pretty deep. You could actually put 2 cars in here. There's a little mud room into the house. It's a kitchen. It's a mess right now. I got tools and cleaning stuff everywhere. Taking down the border. Floor in here is pretty decent. Gonna stay with that. It's a living room. It is a big living room. I'll change the angle. Let me turn around. I'll go to the end of the hallway and So there's the living room. That goes over to the front door. Coat closet, and here's the other side of the kitchen. French doors out in the backyard. There's a pretty good sized lilac tree right there. Been cutting trees and stuff out here. It's got a pretty good sized patio. I started pulling the grass out of the joints. I got a lot more to do. This patio actually wraps around to the back side of the garage and the back entrance. This place has pretty good windows, so we lucked out there. This place is pretty good. It's cosmetics. I sanded down all the walls. People that lived here, you can look over here. They see the knife marks. They threw knives in the wall and a lot of holes. So there's a lot of putty work to do. Bathrooms are going to be our focus here. They actually just ripped out that whole wall. It used to be just a doorway there. I took out the toilets already, the vanities. Everything's taken out of here. This was all blue tile. The tile was horrible. The tub's coming out. We left this half wall. If you can see that, I'm going to move that outlet over to the other side over here, and it's going to have a nice shelf on it, and we're going to have, I'll do more videos as we go. This is the 3-bedroom. This bedroom was horrible. The smell was ungodly. The people that lost this home, they left the animals in here. They were locked in here. Animal control had to come take them. So as you can imagine, the smell in there was bad. That carpet was bad coming out. Here's the 2nd bedroom. This one didn't have an odor, thank God. Really decent windows. I'll even show you. I have the tops open right now, but we'll let air in. Here's the master bedroom. Pretty much all the things to mention. Closets. This one does have its own bathroom. We're going to put lay flat linoleum over these tile floors. I do not want to get into that tile. That's adhered right to concrete. It doesn't have a wood base or anything, so that would be a nightmare to take off. But yeah, this is the beginning. I didn't get a lot of the demo. We've already done all the demo. You can see we got trailer dump out there. We've already hauled a couple loads off of brush and demolition debris. Let's see what else. This is the furnace room. Hot water heater. The people lived here, as you can see, they cut there's 2 lines there. There's a return and intake for the oil. They probably couldn't afford to, a lot of places up here it's a 100-gallon minimum. From what I could tell, they couldn't afford oil anymore, so they cut the lines and were feeding off a 5-gallon bucket, 5-gallon gas tan for heat. And then I'd say that probably stopped working at some point, and then they put this, they must have gotten an account with a propane company. They put in a propane monitor heater. It's a Rinnai. I'm actually going to take that and probably put that in our garage. And they were heating the kitchen. I've already taken it down. It was right there. And I put it out here in the garage. That's what they were heating the kitchen with. So you can tell things are getting pretty rough where they lost it. But there's 3 boxes of hardwood flooring there. And up here there's a box left of what was in the kitchen. So if I do have to do any patching in. And that's actually a pretty good floor. That's DuPont flooring, so that's pretty decent. So yeah, we did want to take down the soffits above the cabinets. There was a big cabinet over there. We took it out. We're gonna leave it because we're opening up a can of worms. If you look up in there, there's not really enough light, but there's none of that's finished up there. So we're gonna leave that painted. We talked about new kind of countertops. I don't know if we're gonna do that. It is getting all new stainless steel appliances though, so that'll be kind of a sales point. The washer and dryer is in the kitchen. We've toyed with this a lot. Talked about moving this plumbing down some and putting in a stackable inside a closet so you wouldn't have to look at it. We might still go that route, and I might knock out this door so it opens it all up. It brings, in other words, bring this wall down to this cabinet and then bring that wall as far down to the corner as we could to the cabinet that we're going to put the stackable in. So it'd really open the kitchen up into the living room. Same thing here. That door, not really a need for it, so you could open up a lot of that, but anyways, I'll do more videos as we go. It's been a few months since, this is just going to all continue on one video. I'm going to walk around and talk about a lot of stuff we've done. And it's now December, first week of December, and we flip the camera around, we'll do a walk around, I'll show you what we've done. These doors, some have been done. The kitchen, the cabinets all need to be painted. Kitchen's actually going to be the last room to be done. In the first video, there used to be soffit that went all the way across the top of that window, and we took it out and drywalled it all back in and put there's going to be a pendant light there, which is actually right there, and that's going to look good up there. These are all new LED lights in the kitchen, living room, down the hallway, painting out trim, all the doors I've painted. I don't know if you can see out back, we now have snow as the bathroom vanity. This is wainscoting that's got to go up. That front door is going to be replaced. That's out in the garage. There's more LEDs. These closets have all been painted. There is a brand new heating system, which is a lot more efficient than what was in here, and I'll put a few pictures of what was in here and the people taking it out. Bathroom, new LED lighting. We tore out, there used to be just a small door opening there. We cut out the whole wall, retrimmed it, drywalled the bathroom up considerably. The plumber will be here soon. I don't know if you can see underneath that cardboard there is new flooring under there. There's a mirror that's going right there. This tub is just dry fitted right now. Plumbing that's got to be done. The room is painted and trimmed out though. There's a lot more trim to be done. Bedrooms, all new carpeting, all painted, ceiling fans have all been cleaned. Another bedroom. We have that walk on right now. These are the new fixtures and wainscoting for the master bedroom. New flooring in the master bath. Toilet's going in. We got one light bulb in this right now, but the new light is up. That is a cabinet. So a couple more weeks, and hopefully we'll be close to listing this. All these closet doors need to be painted and hung, and these bathrooms are going to look a lot different once that wainscoting's up and the trim boards are all on. All these windows and doors all need to be trimmed out, so that'll look excellent. These are going to be trimmed out, but getting there.